easy, delicious, and so healthy octopus salad. Stay tuned for the recipe. Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Take a look at this table. We're going to make something that most people are truly intimidated by, but it is so simple. Do it once, follow my recipe, and then it'll be your go-to recipe all the time. This is actually dedicated to my friend Sonia. We call each other sorella because we're truly like sisters. We were on an Italy vacation together, and Sonia ordered octopus at every meal. And I said, why? You don't make it? She goes, no, sorella, I'm intimidated. So Sonia, this recipe is for you. Super easy. Today is the salad, one that you loved so much. E guardate un po' che bel polpo. Beautiful octopus. Very simple ingredients. You could add more things. I like it simple. So we have a 3-pound octopus, and we're going to be boiling it with the cork, peppercorn, bay leaves, lemons, and some celery leaf. Okay, when we boil the octopus, we're going to be adding a cork in the boiling water. And what that does is the natural enzymes in the cork draws out the moisture, and it makes the tough tendon softer. So that's the reason we use the cork. We're also going to add bay leaf, peppercorns, some slices of limone, of lemon, and a few celery stalks. Besides the octopus, I'm going to keep it very simple. So we have celery stalk all chopped up, some fresh parsley, a couple cloves of garlic, a lot of lemon, extra virgin, a good quality of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. That's it. And the trick is to let it marinate overnight. Cork in, celery in, lemon slices in, and the peppercorn with the bay leaf. Okay, now we bring it to a boil. Just quickly, I want to tell you, make sure the pot is big enough and make sure the water is not all the way on top, because when you add the octopus, it's going to overflow. So give yourself a little room on top for when you immerse the octopus in. Let's talk about the octopus. I like to buy my octopus already frozen because that ensures that it's tender. I find them from Greece, from Spain, sometimes from Morocco. So in your freezer section in your fish market, you'll be able to find these beautiful octopus. And the great thing about it, they come already clean, so there's not much you could do. You just throw them in the fridge, and then you rinse them on the cold water, and it's good to go. Really, really easy. Water is in a rolling boil, so this is what we're going to do, okay? Very high, the octopus. Gonna dip it like this 3-4 times. See how they curl? Look at that. The shock of the different temperature curls the tentacles. Now I'm gonna drop it all in. See what I mean by the water level rising? You don't want it to overflow. Bring it back to a rolling boil. Okay, it's come to a boil. I'm gonna lower the flame. Lid back on, and let's check it in 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, Mimi at the table will prepare the stuff that goes into the insalata di polpo. And because it's going to take a little time, by the time it's got to also cool down. And very importantly, the octopus needs to cool down in its own water. A Napoli si dice, o burpo si cuoce dall'acqua soia. That's also a saying meaning, if somebody does something and you don't really want to tell them they did something wrong, and you say, si cucinano dall'acqua soia, it means they will cook themselves in their own water. So that's un detto napoletano. Ecco qui. There's always a little Italian lesson. I love it in the videos, and I'm happy to share them. 45 minutes in, I'm going to pierce it. Yes, the fork goes in nicely. So now I'm gonna cover it. The flame is off. It's gonna sit and cool down in its own water till we're ready to cut it. I'm going to get the vinaigrette ready. So we're gonna do about 1/8 to 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then we're gonna squeeze in, I'm gonna do a whole lemon because I like it really super lemony. The whole lemon in. Let's start whisking. The parsley and the garlic right in too. Becoming nice and thick and creamy. And then the parsley is releasing a little bit of the color into the olive oil. So it really looks very rich. Okay, it's completely cooled now. Let's get that cut out dry because, you know, you're taking it out of the water. Some of the skin is gonna come off as you pat it dry, and that's fine too, okay? Let's start cutting the head part first and just move it on the side. Then we're going to detach all the tentacles like this. Here we go. I like to cut it in a slant just like this. See how tender it is? You still want to bite. You don't want a mushy octopus because the kind of meat it is, it needs a bite. I'm going to place it in the bowl and just keep cutting on the slant like this. The head cutting, just go down half and then another half and just cut it in little strips. Celery right into. Now for the vinaigrette, I'm gonna add it a little bit at a time. You know what I also need to add? The salt and pepper. So let's coat it first with the oil and the parsley, and then later, you know what, I'm gonna put it all. Così più saporito, più delizioso, it's gonna really hit the spot, you know? Plenty of sea salt, and you know, those that watch me, I love a fresh cracked black pepper. Ok? Ah, che profumino così buono. Ok, guardate qua. Look at this. What do you think? How does it look already? Let's plate it. Che bontà e che profumo. It smells divine. It's that moment in the video where I enjoy the most, where I get to taste the food. Delicious. Of course, something like this tastes even better once it marinates overnight in the fridge. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. We have friends over tomorrow, and I'm so excited to share the food with them. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell button. So many recipes coming. Look forward sharing more recipes that I taped while I was in Italy. Look forward going again. It's truly my happy place. There's such a connect. People ask me, what do you love about Italy? What I love about Italy is that it's a feeling of going home, somewhere where you belong, where my roots are. When I'm in America, I'm Alessandra, the Italian. When I'm in Italy, I'm Alessandra, the daughter of Gaetano, the granddaughter of Saverio, and the daughter of Yolanda. And it's amazing when I walk through my mother's town, the older ladies will say to me, "Oh, tu sei la figlia di Alessandra." And it makes me so very proud. Anyway, always loving sharing these little things with you all. Grazie, thank you for watching. Alla prossima, arrivederci. Ciao ciao.
Non so